box after an hour and a half of driving. Everything is for the sake of winning this competition. For today, we will be having SDME visit, thermodynamic visit. We are getting our appliances from the customs to reach our site today. So be with us. It will be a long day, but full of fun and new updates. Take you to a tour in the house to see the updates that we are having today. So we are now in the production yard. So let me take you through the progress that we have on the modules and where we are standing at. So this is the 6x4 modules and the 6x10. This will be our master bedroom area, and this will be our wet area. We will be having the kitchen, the powder room, and also the technical room. Here we will have our loose element. So this is the west elevation, and here we have the ceiling of the loose element where the HVAC system is installed, so you can see what's happening underneath. Steel work is all there, the piping are all happening, and the conduits are all done. We are putting our final touches on the kitchen area and the installation there. This is our project architect Vishnu.
We're really excited. As we can see, everything is taking in shape. We even have the precast elements all set, and really super excited.
So let's take you to our landscape production area. So here we will have our the pallets and the tiling. So the concept behind this is that we are trying to recycle the asset. That we will be having two kinds of tiling, one a concrete tiling and a wooden tiling. Hey Vishnu.
Hey.
Please tell us more about the landscape strategy and the area.
So these are the recycled pallets, and you have the tiling on top of each other. And after we are done with each module, this will be stuck or tied to that with the nail.
Thank you, Vishnu. So here we are in the 4x10. Hey Dania.
Hi Nasreen.
How are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine. Tell me more about the updates of the house.
Actually today we're so happy, it's a full house. All the team are with us today in the production yard, and it is busy with the presence of a lot of sponsors on site today. Let's start with the Sahel. We have the Sahel board now, clothing the gypsum board for the ceiling. As we can see here, the plumbing has been done, the conduit works, and also the wiring for the smart system for Siemens. But before we move and close the gypsum board, we have Shafar activities on support on installing the brackets that will support the double skin of the steel structure. So we can see that Dumox has done the pouring, so they can support the brackets in each unit. Now we are in the 4x10, and they have already done the brackets for the 4x10 on one side, and today we will finish the brackets for the steel structure. We'll show you later, before and after. Now we are in 4x10. Hey!
So now let's go and meet our interior team. And there's our interior team, Salma and Kulthum. So tell us more about the interior of Harmony team.
Okay, we're inspired by the Emirati culture and the tents that were been used for years and years back in history. So the Arabic tent, they used to be able to be flexible in extending according to the number of family members. And this was very inspiring in our concept of the house. We were also inspired by the topography and the nature of the desert in Dubai with the sand dunes and the movement. This was reflected in having spaces that can be customized according to our function. So we have moving partitions that could be opened and closed to have different kinds of areas. So right now here, we have a public zone. This public zone is our living room. Here, we transfer to the semi-private area, which is a small bedroom, could be converted into an interactive room. And in this area, we will have have a large glazing. The bed is gonna be over here. We have a partition. This partition will be able to open and close. Let me show you the ceiling of this area. Ceiling. This is the start of the slanted over here, and here we have the extension oven. So this whole shape is going to be placed on top of that area. Let's see the inside of the living room. We will have a large chandelier, and we will have 3 spotlights that will be targeted on the vegetation wall.
Hey Selma!
Yes, this is for the. Hello.
So tell us more about this room, where we are in the house.
Okay, let us speak today about the wet areas. We are now in the kitchen, so it's located exactly here in the 4x6 module. So here in the kitchen, it's an open space to the living room where we have our Natukia fridge, we have the sink and dishwasher, we have our fridge, we have our Natukia fridge, we have the sink and the dishwasher, which is also we have a view to the outside. Here on this main wall, we have the stove and grill, we have our fridge, and from this side we have our main bar. On this bar, we will be able to have an accessibility from this side and from this side, where I can access the washing machine and the dryer without entering the kitchen, and I can use also the waste bin on this bar.
Can we see it on the plan?
Yes, so basically this is the area I was talking about. So from this side we will have the washing machine with the dryer inside the cabinet, hidden, and we'll have the BMS control panel, and then we will have the recycling waste bin on this area. So I will be able to throw our waste and then take them easily outside from the side corridor entrance.
So wiring is done, HVAC system is placed, loose elements are under progress, and we have our BMS conduits done. So we're almost there. We're almost there. So let me take you to see the thermodynamic system and the place of it. So here we are in the east elevation of the module 4x10. So this is the place of the thermodynamic panel. It will be placed in this location behind the wall of the kitchen, where it will supply hot water for kitchen and also for the bathroom on that side. So we are in the area between the 4x10 and the 6x4. So this is the bathroom area. As you can see, we will have our master bathroom in this area. All the piping are happening. Let's go underground and see. Yeah. So, but the 4x10 is the only wet area that we have in our 3 modules. So the piping has all happened underneath. This is the master bathroom piping. The kitchen piping are already done there. So we're almost done and we are ready to move to solar height. Our exterior lighting package has arrived, and here are some of our solar lighting. So all our landscape area will be solar powered, and let's try to unbox one of them. So this is the lighting, one of the lighting that will be in our landscape area for amusing our visitors and the dinner party. So what we also have here is more of the hidden lights, spotlights. Yay, the spotlights, amazing. It will be a very nice outdoor space and for barbecuing and having a small dinner. So those solar lights will be on the landscape area surrounding the outdoor corridor. And this is the render of that. SDME team has arrived. Let's go and say hi to them. Here they are. Dr. Edwin. Hello, how are you? How are you doing?
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
How you feel?
I'm
Yeah?
fine. Yeah.
and whatever we receive is just a small wire. All right. That we will put inside the oven. Okay. But we can still do that from here. You want to? Yeah, but we need to run back again. So it's possible. It's possible. We can run because here we have the we can run from below the cabinet. Yes, we can run below the cabinet. Yeah.
So that's what we had today. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing and keep watching our upcoming events and upcoming updates. This is Nasreen Usadu and see you in next episodes. Bye.